So what is going on, guys? This is Swerk here. I'm here to inform you all that I'll be having a driving test due to next week. Now this is gonna be a whole video. This either gonna be 5 minutes long or it's gonna be longer than this because I will be doing a vlog. Driving test is in 1 week. What day is it? What day is it? Wait. Less than a week even. I'm having it on Wednesday. Right now it's Thursday, which means it's about-ish a week left. If we remove just 1 day. And I will be doing a vlog about this. I will be informing you, audience, on how many days are left, how I'm feeling. Because right now, I'm feeling really confident that I got this easily, but I know for a fact that later in a couple of days, I'm gonna be worried. But if I get the driving test complete, and then I will be doing a vlog, packing things in, putting in stuff, removing my whole setup, probably bringing the drum set. I have no clue. I don't know yet. Inform you all, and then be driving for about, I don't know, 24 hours to another country to live with my girlfriend. And then you'll also get a video of me unpacking the things as well, which is gonna be super much fun. I'll see you soon. This is Monday. I just had a driving lesson. Went fantastic. They were saying like, if you don't do well, we're gonna give you another for Tuesday. Don't need it. Don't need it. But I'm still, tomorrow, gonna be doing another lesson. But it's not like the lesson that they would add in. This is more like a 3 hours drive. I'm gonna drive on the, I don't know, on the road to get past the drivers. Yeah. Good morning. Today this is the last day actually. Today I have 3 hours lesson. 3 hours. If they don't have breakfast or if they don't have food, I'm gonna starve. I will be so hungry after driving. Today's the last day. Tomorrow is the day when I'm gonna do the driving license, the test. I slept kinda okay today, but we'll see how it will all go today. I'm scared. Yeah, so basically, it's the day. We're leaving in like 20 to 30 minutes. I am a little bit worried, but at the same time, I'm not. Like, this is some natural things that always happens when you're about to do a test, of course. But I got 2 lucky stones with me. That is here, and also from the camera, which is like saying a lucky potato. Say maybe a tiny potato, but I believe in you. Go do your thing, which is adorable. That is the cutest thing ever. But I know for a fact that I'm gonna be worried, of course. It's a completely natural thing, but I feel like I can do it easily, so now I'm just calming down. Sitting drinking coffee, and just waiting till we can leave. I'll play later on again as usual. Hey, this is Swerk again. It's been about a week. I passed on the first try, which means I'm actually really proud of myself. Passed the driving exam for the first time, passed the theory test for the first time. The date is 11th of December as of right now. I'm driving in the morning on the 23rd in the morning, so in about 12 days I will be moving. I'll be driving the car for 5 hours, 6 hours, getting into a boat to take us over to Germany. And then we're gonna drive for 6 more hours while girlfriend is at work. I'm gonna arrive on the 23rd. She will be at work. I arrive on the 24th. She comes home on the 27th. Which means that I will have a lot of time to fix everything set up, maybe put in some flower bouquets, you know, like some flower palettes, red roses. I don't have the money for that. There I had the TV, which is now by the hall outside, and my hair is actually kind of crazy. My drawers was full of stuff. That's a cable because I play guitar first of all. The others are just completely empty. This feels strange. This feels really unreal for me. Like, there's only 1 week left. It's Saturday. Next Saturday I will be driving. We will be driving our way to Germany, which I'm hyped for, of course. But it's also something brand new for me. It's gonna be like completely new rules, new everything. It's gonna be new things I'm gonna learn in another country. There's gonna be a lot of things, which is kind of scary because, like, I've never moved out before. I'm moving straight to a new country immediately. We'll see how it will all go. I got high hope for this. It's gonna go really well with work and everything, and me uploading new videos for all of you. So the next thing you're gonna see now is literally the vlog of driving and putting things into the car. Yeah, so we are right now waiting for our boat to arrive. We got information about it being like 1 hour late. We boat arrive should have planned to at least by like 1 or 2 o'clock. So we were all in the same car, which is behind me, in the same car for like an hour or something. Trying to sleep, can't sleep. It's usually no space at all. And then, because of all the weather that is going on over there in Germany, 3 more hours delayed, which means that the boat that we got supposed to get over there, will probably arrive in, I don't know, by 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Here to Sweden, and then we would arrive at like 11 in the morning, I guess. And then after that, then we're gonna drive by, the road to a lot of water. Probably a lot of roads being blocked off because of the water. The water's too high, yada yada. I'm having a real bad time right now, but I wanna go. I wanna hug my girlfriend. I wanna kiss my girlfriend. I wanna I am now officially in Germany. I'm exhausted. I've been here for a week. Room is complete. It's really empty. It's There's a bed in here because my parents were sleeping here for like a week-ish. So they were sleeping in this room while I was preparing everything. So, yes, there is a bed. Yes, there will be a lot of upgrades eventually in my room, but right now it's really empty. Getting here was a pain, but it was worth it. Parents have left. It's just me and my girlfriend at this place now. I have officially moved into another country. I've officially moved into Germany. I have left my friends. I still have them, of course. My family. Every single one I know. Because now I'm in another country. There's going to be Germany. Well, I will be uploading new videos. I will be working. Upgrading. Get better as a person. Yada yada. Etc. etc. If you've gone all the way to this part of the video, I want to say thank you for watching my little journey to another country. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm ill. Bye bye.